How to create Zoom meeting link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, if you're looking to host a Zoom meeting but don't know how to create a meeting link, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Zoom meeting link, schedule your meeting, and share it with your participants. So, let's dive right in. First thing first, we need to open the Zoom app. If you have not installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official website or your app store. Now, once you're in, you need to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for free. Click on schedule a meeting. Now, once you have done that, you need to enter all your meeting details over here. And then if you want to use the meeting ID, you need to simply toggle on that option. And now you need to click on save. After you have done everything, you need to click on save. You need to simply select the time when it will start and when it ends. You can set the timer. Now you need to tap on add. Then tap on not now. Now, if you want to share it with your friends, you need to share the meeting ID. You can simply go over here and copy the meeting ID over here. Now, once you have now you simply need to go ahead and copy your meeting ID over here. Simply tap on copy, and once you have done that, you can paste the information into an email, a message, or even a calendar invite to share with your participants. Remember, you can also share the link directly from the Zoom app by clicking on invite during the meeting. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like our video, and I'll see you in the next video.